I'll be showing you how to create the perfect bronzed eye with the Pat McGrath Bronze Seduction palette. Let's get to it. Prep the eye using the Urban Decay Primer Potion to ensure that it will last all day. Taking a translucent powder, I am putting it over the area just for some extra insurance. Use a blending brush to sweep away the excess powder. Last step of prep is taking a flesh tone shade and sweeping it all over the lid up to the brow bone. I'm using the Milani Gilded Nude palette in the color Weekender. Taking the shade Entrapment from the Pat McGrath Bronze Seduction palette, I am using a soft blending brush to sweep this all over my lid and up to the eye socket or crease area. To create some depth, I'm using the shade Disobedient on the outer corner area with a small blending brush. Start at the outer corner and slowly blend the color into the eye socket or crease area. To brighten up the inner corner area, I'm using Skinshow Divine Glow. Taking the shade Disobedient again, I'm going to line the lower lash line with a small brush. Blend everything out with a clean blending brush. I'm going to add some shimmer with Bronze Blaze by patting it into the center of my lids. Using the Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner, I'm going to line my eyes with a small wing. Time to curl those lashes. I'm using the Pat McGrath FetishEyes Mascara. Can't forget some false lashes. The eyes are all complete. Now let's finish the rest of this look. Oh hey again, I also changed my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I will see you guys next time. Bye!